Remember those Tupperware and pampered chef parties your mom used to host when you were younger? She'd spend all day cleaning the house and sent you to be confined to your room while she showcased high-quality kitchen gear and entertained the neighborhood moms. You were never quite sure what was happening outside your bedroom door on those nights. As it turns out, your mom was quite the entrepreneur. She was running her own home marketing business and participating in network marketing. But what is network marketing? Network marketing is a business model that relies on individuals leveraging their personal networks to grow a business or sell products. People use these networks to generate leads and recruit customers or partners, often through a structured training and mentorship process for new recruits. Now, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel for all the ins and outs on how you can build yourself a successful network marketing career. This model has a decentralized structure where products are sold not by a full-time sales team, but by independent salespeople. These individuals, in some cases, purchase products in bulk from the manufacturer and then sell them on their own, often at sales events they host for friends and family. Network marketing happens in pretty much every industry, including makeup, clothing, and household goods. While network marketing is similar to influencer marketing, it's a little different at its bare bones and can be categorized into three main types, all of which involve using personal networks for sales or recruitment. 1. Multi-level marketing, MLM. Multi-level marketing, commonly abbreviated as MLM, involves direct sales and a network of distributors, often called a downline. While MLMs often face criticism for their resemblance to pyramid schemes, there's a crucial distinction. MLMs sell real products or services, whereas pyramid schemes rely on false promises of wealth. We'll get more in-depth about this subject in another video. Many MLM companies offer robust infrastructure, excellent training, and rewards for top performers. 2. Direct marketing. Direct marketing is a straightforward system where individuals sign up to sell a product or service without needing to recruit others. Participants earn money solely from their direct sales. This method is one of the most immediate forms of sales. You find a product you like and sell it to your friends and family. Well-known direct marketing companies include Mary Kay, Avon, and Pampered Chef. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a newer branch of network marketing that operates online. Website owners and bloggers embed links to specific products on their sites. When someone clicks on these links and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a referral fee. With thousands of affiliate programs available, it's essential to research the most lucrative opportunities. For example, the market for clock-in, clock-out apps often offers affiliate partnerships. Always investigate the highest-paying programs before joining. But to really understand the evolution and prominence of these network marketing systems, it's helpful to explore their origins and development. So, let's talk a little about history. During the Industrial Revolution of the 1800s, many new and complex products emerged that required explanation to consumers. Network marketing began gaining traction after World War II in the 1940s, with pioneers like the California Vitamin Company, renamed Neutrality in 1939, and the California Perfume Company, now Avon. Carl Renborg, founder of the California Vitamin Company, faced high demand for his products and started recruiting independent distributors to expand his sales force. These distributors were encouraged to recruit new members from their personal networks, earning commissions on the sales made by their recruits. In 1959, Neutralite employees Rick DeVos and John Van Andel founded Amway, an MLM company that paved the way for similar businesses worldwide, including Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, and France. Amway's success allowed major brands like Panasonic, Palmolive, and MasterCard to incorporate network marketing into their strategies. Amway's influence even extended to sponsoring the NBA's Orlando Magic's Amway Center since 1989. By the 1980s, the US economy was booming and more women were entering the workforce. Network marketing appealed to many women, offering them flexible work opportunities that allowed them to balance earning income with family responsibilities. This era saw women rising to prominent positions within these companies, achieving financial independence without sacrificing family life. As the 1990s drew to a close, network marketers began leveraging the internet, making online shops and electronic orders more common. This shift simplified the use of social networks for business purposes. With the rise of social media, it's now common to see friends and acquaintances advertising for companies like Rodan Plus Fields or It Works. The landscape of network marketing will continue to evolve with society. easy, but at its core, building relationships remains the key to success in this field. Speaking of success though, what are the benefits of working in network marketing? 1. While network marketing companies often have guidelines on how to sell or market their products, you generally have a lot of freedom in how you make your sales. This flexibility means you can work as much or as little as you want, fitting your work around your personal schedule. 2. Whether you prefer hosting in-person events or focusing on online sales through advertising or building a mailing list, you can tailor your approach to suit your lifestyle. 3. With so many network marketing companies out there, you're likely to find one that sells products you love. When you're passionate about what you're selling, it makes the work more enjoyable and can positively influence potential buyers. Your enthusiasm can lead to more sales and higher commissions. 4. Hosting parties to showcase your products is a popular and enjoyable method in network marketing. These events let you spend time with friends and family while introducing them to what you're selling. This approach not only makes selling fun, but also helps you build and expand your network, opening up more growth opportunities. 5. New sales professionals are usually recruited by a senior salesperson, giving you the chance to receive valuable mentorship. Your recruiter can teach you the ins and outs of the business and help you improve your sales skills, benefiting both of you. As your sales increase, so do both your commissions and your mentors, creating a win-win situation. However, I want to keep it completely a buck with you, so I will also take you across some of the pitfalls and really the things you need to watch out for when working in network marketing. 1. Network marketing takes time to build. You'll need to grow your presence, whether online or offline, and expand your network of customers and partners. A key part of this process, especially in MLM, is recruiting and training new distributors, which helps you earn more bonuses and move up in their compensation plans. 2. Rejection is a common challenge in network marketing, especially when it comes to recruitment. If you find rejection hard to handle, it can be tempting to give up. 3. Not all sponsors, uplines are equally supportive. Some may sign you up and then leave you to figure things out on your own, which can be frustrating. If you've joined a network marketing organization, chances are someone you know recruited you. This person, likely more experienced, will function as your mentor to help you get started. It's in your mentor's best interest to see you succeed, so be open to their guidance and learn the system. Equally important, be a good mentor when you recruit someone into your organization, support them, and teach them how to thrive as network marketers. Success in network marketing hinges on building strong, lasting relationships. As you start using your network to sell products or services, remember that your customers are also your friends and family. Prioritize building great relationships first, and the sales will follow. This approach is key to becoming an effective and successful network marketer. That'll do it for this video. If you found it helpful and want to learn more about the finer aspects of network marketing and how to grow your business, make sure you subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you never miss an upload.